This is Alicia Vanessa, Mobile Interfaces and Usability, term 1505, and this is the About Me app. So we were asked to create a really simple app displaying some information about ourselves, utilizing what we learned in visual frameworks. So here's my code. Opening up to the main window, we've got the code for the main window here, utilizing the navigation window to move around the app more easily without worrying about getting stuck anywhere. I've got my big button right in the middle of the screen that you would click on in order to access the table with all the JSON information. Then I've got the require for the JSON and then my main code for the main window. Over here I've got my JSON data broken into two different sections. My code for the table view. We know that we're using the iPhone platform, so this will set the table view up to be viewed appropriately on the iPhone. My table view sections, again, I've got two of them. And this is supposed to be a function to open up a window displaying the information correlating to whichever category or question you click on. Here I utilize this so I don't have to keep writing over and over all the titles and the descriptions. I've got the title labels and views. I've got a go back button, so once you're done viewing the information or answer to a specific question, you go back to the main table. And then there's a function to close for the back button to close that particular window. Here are loops for adding the data to the table. So for my main section, adding the information for each row, and then for the second or fun fact section, the information for each row, setting the sections for the tables and the data for the sections, and then of course the event listener, so correlating to the function, so when you click on a given question, it will go ahead and get you to that correct window. I'm going to run the code real quick. I know I have an issue here somewhere. It has been a while since I've used JavaScript. I think it's been 2 months since Visual Frameworks, so I know I'm missing something somewhere. I just can't quite put my finger on it. I'm assuming it's an event listener because only this pops up and I can click it all I want and nothing will happen. So again, I'm assuming must have like a window function missing here somewhere. I was having some trouble with Titanium earlier. It kept freezing on me, so I didn't have enough time really to go deeper into what was going on with that. But I'm sure I'll figure it out eventually. Again, it's been a while since I've used the JavaScript. I've been to design classes over the past 2 months, so but there we go, there it is. Had it worked properly, had I built it properly, if I wasn't missing that little piece of code somewhere, wherever I'm missing it, I would have been a lot happier with the result, but it was nice playing with the JavaScript again and getting back into it. So I hope you enjoy my video, and have a great night.